Yes, good morning to all present here. And this is Karthik Raj, Assistant Professor from SRM University, Katangalatu. And this is a subject which is known as Deliberation of Contemporary Interiors, which deals about the contemporary trends uh, in detail, which is the deliberation, which is all about telling everything in detail. And we are going to study contemporary interiors in detail. And this is a subject offered for a BDS second years in the university as per the syllabus. And we are moving to the next topic. And first topic, emerging trends in contemporary interiors of residence. Uh, There are many factors which affect these and which are the main routes for the emerging trends, and which one is the minimalism, which denotes about the clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and focus on functionality characterize minimalist interiors. This design ethos emphasize simplicity and reduce excess, creating serene and spacious living environments. And second is the natural element, incorporating the natural materials such as wood, stone, natural fibers, warmth, and many such things which adds a sense of nature into the house, and uh, which provides a connectivity to the nature, which is very much missing in nowadays. And the third one is the sustainability. There's a growing emphasis on eco-friendly design practices, including the use of recycled materials, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable building techniques. Designers are also incorporating sustainable furniture in decor options, as well as integrating renewable energy sources wherever possible. The flexible and multifunctional spaces. With the rise of remote work and flexible lifestyles, homeowners seek adaptable spaces that can serve multiple purposes. Open floor plans, which are very much common nowadays, and modular furniture, comfortable furnitures, and convertible rooms accommodate the changing needs and those things. The next one is the technology integration. How the smart homes are becoming the more prevalent and featured, like automatic lighting, sensors, climate control, security system, entertainment, and where the seamless process is done into the design. And designers are also exploring ways to conceal and integrate technology to a main streamline aesthetic. A bold accent and colors. While minimal design remains a popular, there is also a trend towards the incorporating bold accents and vibrant color to add personality and visual interest to the interiors. Texture and pattern mixing the textures and pattern add depth and visual intake to the interior spaces. From textured wall coverings to patterned rugs and textile, the layering of different tactile elements create a rich and inviting atmosphere. With personalization is very much about personalizing according to the needs of the customer and the occupants, and homeowners seeking ways to infuse the personality and unique style into the living spaces. Next is wellness design. Wellness design is the most common and preferable thing, which are very much welcomed by the customers of this generation, and designing spaces that promote health and well-being in a growing focus in contemporary interiors. This includes features such as ample natural light, improved indoor air quality, ergonomic furniture, and spaces dedicated to relaxation and mindfulness. Cultural influences. With the globalization and increased cultural exchange, there is a trend towards incorporating elements of different cultures into interior design. And next is a psychological impact, which creates a very much impact while creating and with the colors and textures and tactile thing, and which relates with the psychological uh, manner of the house and well-being. Warm colors And warm colors such as red, orange, yellow, which evoke energy and warmth. And for hospitality, these colors are used in living rooms, dining rooms, and entryways where they create a welcoming environment. And warm colors work well with natural and warm artificial lighting. And cool colors are associated with tranquility and peace, making them ideal for spaces to design for relaxation, bedrooms, bathrooms, and reading nooks. And these colors include the shade of blue, green, and purple, which can influence the aesthetic, mood, and functionality of the living space. Cool colors tend to recede visually, creating the illusion of more spaces, making them perfect for small rooms or areas limited with natural light. Warm colors, the shades of red, orange, and yellow are vibrant and energetic, fostering welcoming, cozy atmosphere. As I said before, the cool colors, which is a peace, which denotes calming and soothing environment. And neutral colors such as white, black, and gray provide a backdrop that allows other elements to stand out. Role of a pattern. Pattern plays a very important role again in the psychological effect in the design, and patterns plays a crucial role in residential spaces such as enhancing aesthetic functionality and spatial perception. They also add visual interest, prevents monotony, and patterns help balance and harmonize interiors by repeating motifs across wallpaper, fabric, and flooring. Mixing pattern, a contemporary trend involving mixing various patterns within the cohesive color scheme. The key is to balance scale, pattern, and types, to avoiding overwhelming the space, does not, which should not be a clumsy environment in and around. And geometric patterns, which are often used in modern and contemporary design. Geometric patterns can add a sense of order and precision to a space. Patterns inspired by nature can create serene, inviting atmosphere suitable for spaces meant for relaxation. The lighting skills, which generally deals about the general lighting, which is the ambient lighting, task lighting, accent lighting, decorative lighting, natural lighting, layered lighting, and mood lighting. Natural lighting is a very common form of lighting, which is uh, derived from which we are getting from the natural source, which is sunlight. And the layered lighting, which also adds a aesthetic appeal to the interiors by mixing of various kind of lighting, such as task lighting, mood lighting, and those things. And color temperature, lighting fixtures come in various color temperatures measured in kelvins. Warm light, which is a comparatively lower Kelvin, creates a cozy atmosphere, while cool lights such as higher Kelvin are energizing and better for concentration. Integrating colors, patterns, and lighting. There's also a way to mix colors, pattern, and lighting. When we have to add lighting in a very minimal size, when we add patterns and colors to the wall or any dominant wall or anything. We can't add all the colors, patterns everywhere where we can find, and it will actually dominate your design, and it will also create a psychological effect to the customers and occupants. And coming to material selection in residence, eco-friendly materials, which are such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and glass, are very popularly used in these sources. And energy efficient materials such as which create less carbon footprint while creating or producing. And operational costs also should be minimal while creating. With the second one is the durability and maintenance, and whichever material we select should be durable, and it should be the longevity should be higher, and ROI should be really less, and not less. We should achieve the based on the durability. The material should sustain, and many things are there, and which should be less in maintenance cost, and nothing much should be done over the years wherever we use. And next, coming to the visual appeal, the materials, colors, texture, and overall look should align with the desired aesthetic of the home. And cohesiveness, materials should complement each other and contribute to a unified design theme throughout the home. Consistency in material selection helps in creating cohesive interior and exterior design. Next is the cost and budget considerations. And initial cost, where we spend amount of cost on the material, and it should be sustaining to the longevity and durability of the project. And budget constraint, while coming to budget constraint, we should keep 3 to 4 alternate materials in order to which suits our budget. Next, health and safety. Non-toxic materials such as low VUC paints and adhesive contribute to healthier indoor environment. Fire resistance safety features in areas prone to wildfires or building components critically structural integrity. Choosing fire resistant material in those meet safety standards is essential. Materials used in residential building are while coming to structural materials, concrete, wood, steel, and masonry such as bricks are used. For insulation material, fiberglass, cellulose, spray foam, and rigid foam are used as a insulation material. Roofing materials such as asphalt shingles and metal roofing, clay and concrete tiles and slate are being used. Flooring materials, hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and carpet are used as very common features. And interior walls and ceiling finishes, uh, drywall, which is a gypsum board wall, wood paneling, plaster, and those things that are used as finishes. Windows, wood windows, vinyl windows, aluminum windows, fiberglass, and UPVC. Many such windows are there. And types of alternate materials depending on the cost and availability: bamboo, recycled materials, hempcrete, rammed earth, straw bale, cork, reclaimed wood, green roof, earth bag, mycelium. Mycelium is a bacteria fungi kind of thing which are developed under the lab. The last one is the value engineering. Value engineering is nothing but how much value it adds to the project, and how much ROI, and how much returns and cost efficiency all depends on the value engineering, and which is efficiency in terms of work, time, cost, and without compromising in the quality, we have to uh, complete the project within the given time and budget. The objectives such as cost reduction, quality improvement, functionality enhancement, resource efficiency, which are very much important in value engineering. These are the uh, use of value engineering in residential building. Well, the factors are design and material selection, space utilization, energy efficiency, construction methods, sustainability, And benefits of value engineering are cost saving, customer satisfaction, sustainability,